Guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing us a guide on how we can participate in the Ghost airdrop. Alright, so first of all you need to do is to open up your browser and then you input the URL link. The URL link will be provided in the caption below. Okay, so once the URL link loads up, this page would come up. Kindly ensure that you participate in this airdrop today, latest tomorrow, because it's ending 17th March and this video was done 16th March. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is to connect our Twitter. Just tap on connect with Twitter. Alright, wait for this to load up. Authorize. Okay, so Twitter has been connected, and what you need to do next is then to do all of these tasks. You earn points by doing all of these tasks. You refer some friends, you earn points. You join the Ghost Gang Telegram, you earn points. You follow the Ghost Gang on Twitter, you earn points. So do all of this and ensure you connect your wallet. You can see that a whitelist slot in Gang Up NFT meets for all participants, and this NFT is going to be worth some thousands or hundreds of dollars. And then we have 3% ghost token supply to be distributed to users who has at least 1,500 points. So ensure to farm those points, guys, and ensure to do that all before tomorrow, because that's when it's going to end. So let's just do a few tasks and let's see how we can earn some points. So for instance, let's say follow Ghost Gang X. So you just tap on it, then it redirects you back to the Twitter account. Then you tap on follow, then you head back to the page. Okay, then you tap on claim. So it's waiting for quest verification. Make sure the quest is done. So it's waiting for the quest to be verified before it can allocate my points to me. But in the meantime, while they're trying to verify the quest, you can be doing other tasks. So here it says we should tap to follow Mario on X, then we tap to follow Mario, then we go back. Okay, let's see if this is ready. Claimed. Okay, so the first one we've done is claimed, and you would see that your points will be added on here. First we had 0 points, now we have 100. Let's see if follow Mario on X is done. Okay, so we're waiting for the quest verification. All right, in the meantime, let's see if we can connect our wallet. Just tap on connect wallet, tap on the MetaMask. So just open up your MetaMask wallet. Okay, I agree, continue, I agree, and it's requiring me to create a new MetaMask account at the moment, which you do not have time to do, but you can do this while you are trying to claim your own points. Okay, so let's continue with the other quests that we're required to do. Head back to the quests. Okay, so let's see if we can claim our Mario point now. Okay, claimed. As you can see, our points have increased to 200. So ensure to do all of the stacks. If you can do it on mobile, fine. If you can do it on your PC, that is your laptop, that's great as well. And ensure to get the minimum of 1,500 to be able to qualify for the Ghost 3% Ghost token allocation. However, whitelist slots for the first 10,000 persons in the Gang Up NFT means for all participants. And once you're done connecting your wallet, you need to link your wallet beneath here. So once you connect, by the time you get to this last task, it will require you to link your wallet to the platform. I hope this video has been helpful, guys. If you have any questions, do make a comment in the comment section below. Rest assured that a team member will answer you. Thank you for watching, guys. Ensure to like, subscribe to this channel, and turn on that post notification bell for more educative content. And see you in our next video.